Record and reconcile customer payments to accurately settle sales invoices and update receivables. Payment reconciliation begins in the Sales module, the process of settling outstanding customer invoices. The payment transaction listing provides a comprehensive overview of financial receipts categorized by current status. Efficient payment entry ensures that customer credit remains accurate and cash flow data is current. Identifying the customer and currency establishes the specific financial parameters for the new transaction record. Selecting the bank account and payment mode ensures that incoming funds route to the correct destination. Recording the reference number and reference bank builds a reliable audit trail for future bank reconciliations. The payment date and exchange date accurately timestamp the transaction for period-end financial and tax reporting. Detailed transaction narrations allow finance teams to link payments directly to their corresponding sales invoices correctly. Entering the transaction amount determines the total value applied against the customer's outstanding debt balance precisely. This validation step prevents credit limit issues by ensuring customer aging reports reflect recent payments instantly. Attaching digital documentation validates the transfer and provides essential evidence for internal and external compliance audits. Submitting the record initiates an automated workflow that moves the transaction into a pending approval status. Successful submission is confirmed by system alerts, ensuring the request entered the internal processing queue safely. Real-time status indicators allow administrators to track the progress of payments through the entire approval cycle. Users can filter listings by status to identify transactions requiring immediate management or administrative review. Centralized data management reduces manual processing errors and improves the speed of monthly financial closing cycles. Integrated payment processing ensures accurate cash flow reporting and maintains the integrity of the general ledger. Maintaining detailed records of every bank transfer supports transparency across the entire sales and collection lifecycle. Standardizing the payment intake process enhances operational efficiency and provides a reliable foundation for auditing procedures. This workflow secures fiscal accuracy by confirming every dollar received is accounted for correctly. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.